Hi, I'm Erica from Microsoft. I want to share 4 tips on how to make your virtual meetings more effective for everyone, including people with disabilities. First, send out the materials before the meeting so that people will have some extra time to review them in their preferred way. Second, be sure that your meeting materials are accessible. For example, if you are using PowerPoint in Microsoft 365, then you can easily scan your document for accessibility issues before distributing it. If your presentation includes video clips with no audio description, then you should put a summary of the clips in writing. Everyone needs to know what was being communicated in the video. Third, use meeting software that has been vetted for accessibility, such as Microsoft Teams. In Teams, you can enable captions toggle and generate transcripts for review afterward. Fourth, practice chat window courtesy during your meeting. When using the chat pane, keep conversations relevant to the meeting topic and avoid side conversations. This makes it easier to focus and helps to reduce distractions for everyone. Thanks for doing your part to make virtual meetings more effective for everyone.